Hi, I'm Andrew Smith, the CEO of British Lithium. British Lithium was the first company to successfully drill for lithium in the UK. We were the first company to develop a sustainable process for treating the micaceous granites that we find here. In fact, we were the first company to successfully produce battery quality lithium carbonate. We've gone on to drill up a resource of over 100 million tonnes. That's enough to produce 21,000 tonnes per year of lithium carbonate, which would power over 500,000 electric vehicles. That will go a long way to meet the UK's anticipated demand should we switch to electric vehicles by 2030. Over the past 6 years, we've developed a sustainable technology to treat the micaceous granites found here using the lowest environmental footprint possible. This is important as electric vehicles is an answer to a problem, and therefore the production of lithium must be done in a sustainable way. Our pioneering LCEP technology is not only chemical-free, but can be powered from the electrical grid, thus using renewable power. This is important because most of the lithium production in the world comes out of Southeast Asia, which is powered by coal. Enabling us to use renewable power will not only reduce our carbon footprint, but shift our independence away from Southeast Asia to domestic production right here at home.
Hi, my name is Robin Kelly. I'm the Senior Geologist at British Lithium. Our drilling site is located in a mass of Cornish granite, part of a large body of magma that was forced upwards and slowly cooled and crystallised during what is known as the Vriscan orogeny. That occurred around 300 to 400 million years ago, when two tectonic plates collided and formed the supercontinent Pangaea. The main minerals within a granite are quartz, felspar and mica. Our project area hosts a much younger granite and usually enriched in a brown lithium mica known as zinfandite. In 2018, British Lithium carried out a scoping study to target areas for lithium. The work involved field mapping, grab sampling, trenching and drilling to provide a better understanding of the lithium mineralisation and its grade variability within the deposit. We were able to discover a previously undefined substantial lithium resource of over 100 million tonnes. The project area is located within a disused quarry, so any environmental impact will be minimal. Any open pit design will include a ring-fence budget and plan for remediation, leaving the site in a far better condition than it is currently. Mineral processing to recover ore minerals is all about finding one or several properties of your target mineral that differ from the other minerals in the ore. It starts with breaking the rock to a size where you can separate the minerals from one another, then extract ore from the waste minerals, in this case lithium mica. Here at British Lithium, we go to great lengths to minimise our use of chemicals so the waste coming from our plant does not need neutralising. The water composition is essentially unchanged, and because we can extract micas at a really coarse size, the waste material is similar to building or beach sand. Once we have made a lithium mica concentrate, we calcine it at low temperature using lime as a reagent rather than acid. The solution is subsequently purified to produce battery-grade lithium carbonate.
British Lithium is the only company to build its own in-house metallurgical research and development laboratory right here in Cornwall. Based on our experience in Western Australia, which is the lithium mining centre of the world, we've developed our technology there before importing it into the UK and making the crucial decision to build our own laboratory right here in Roche. Why? Because we wanted to custom build our equipment, try out brand new technology, build a high level of expertise, ensure quality control and support local employment. We use external laboratories where necessary to certify and validate our work, but having our own laboratory on site gives us considerable commercial advantage whilst allowing us to protect our own intellectual property. It is also providing the data we need to help design our own pilot plant.
I'm Charlotte Wilkins, British Lithium Project Manager, and this is where the pilot plant will be. Currently a vast empty shed, but one that will see plenty of activity once the £3 million plant is up and running within the next 12 months. It's important to eliminate scale-up risk by producing lithium in real-world conditions at pilot scale. This plant will allow us to collect accurate data on any waste products and emissions, test the energy and water balances, and prove our process route. We can also produce sufficient quantities of battery-grade lithium to achieve potential customer acceptance and buy-in. Pilot-scale production represents a key milestone because whilst battery and electric vehicle makers are keen to diversify supply, they're also very concerned about their carbon footprint. Aiming to produce the world's greenest lithium gives British Lithium a huge advantage But we need to prove what we're saying. This pilot plant, which has been generously funded by the government's Small Business Research Initiative grants, enables us to do just that. £1 million worth of bespoke long lead time equipment has already been ordered, and we will be producing lithium carbonate here by this time next year.
Cars are the UK's biggest exports, creating over 80 billion worth of GDP and employing over 800,000 people. To comply with the government's recently announced green agenda, the industry needs to transition to electric vehicles in just under 9 years. This means investing heavily in lithium battery supply chain, especially as Europe has the same aspirations as us. In fact, they have 14 gigafactories already under construction. Our plan is to be in full-scale production by 3 to 5 years. At that stage, we expect to be employing over 350 staff directly, plus many more indirectly via our local supply chain. The local economy is likely to benefit from an additional 70 million expenditure per year, and the UK as a whole will benefit from this very valuable home-produced resource. Local production of battery-grade lithium carbonate will give Britain an edge over Europe, where no lithium is currently produced. We at British Lithium have the drive, the passion, the team and the technology to build not only a quarry, but an integrated lithium carbonate plant to make domestic lithium carbonate right here in Cornwall. This is going to be crucial if we're to meet the government's ambition of building back greener.